I touched the door. I touched the door again.
Hinawakan ulit. Baka hindi naiintindihan ang
I opened the
Binuksan
door.
daw.
I closed the door.
Sinara. Nagulat siya.
The door. Thank you.
Wala kang mark kasi maiwan. Raisa.
May coach.
Si Bossing! Nandiyan pala si Bossing eh!
Kaya rin.
Isa Makil City.
Yung mata-mata, ipakita mo yung sandalize.
Nakakaloka si Bakla.
Kuya Gilbert,
Bakit ang bata?
ang halay naman eh.